you're a real mean guy. I got to click your way so you can't lie. I'm in love and it's a crying shame. And I know that you're the one to blame. Hey, hey.
Steph's Creations. My name is Stephanie, and let's get creating. Oh my gosh, do y'all watch Don't Hug Me, I'm Scared? I love that show. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to make the wings of this costume. Let's get into it. Remember, the question of this trilogy is, what is the return of the king of this trilogy? So without further ado, let's roll the clip. Before that, really quick, all of the supplies are in my Amazon storefront. So if you want to make this and when you're wanting to figure out where to get the supplies for this, just click the link below. And also, I know I don't post on YouTube regularly, but to always see my costumes being made in real time, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest. Links are also in the description. So now let's get into the video. So I draw a line down the middle of the board so I can now use an X-Acto knife. And if you're a kid, ask a parent to help you or ask an adult to help you, because an X-Acto knife is very sharp. Don't cut yourself. And that's going to give me 2 halves so I can make 2 wings. Then I just traced out a comma, a big comma, and that's going to be the backbone. That's the bone of your wing. Once you got your backbone down, use the X-Acto knife. If you're an adult, use the X-Acto knife to now go over your trace marks to cut out your comma or backbone of your wing. But we're gonna call it a comma because honestly it looks like a comma. It's comma. And I am so sorry that my shoulder is in this clip. So please, I will try to explain the best that I can. So you're gonna wanna have somebody, make sure you have somebody measure your shoulder to shoulder portion so you know how long that is. And then you're gonna add 2 inches to that. So I think my shoulder to shoulder was about 18. So I added I cut out a 22-inch strip from my excess cardboard, and then I spread my wings so that the 2 inches would be there. I can have something to attach the wings to so that it's all one piece now. If you want to leave your wings white, you can skip this step, but for my Heartbreak Cupid, I did make that black. So I spray painted my Heartbreak wings black. So if you want to spray paint it black or whatever color of the magical mystical rainbow that we have, amazing, oh amazing, knock yourself out. And then when you're done with that, you're going to want to hot glue elastic shoulder strap pieces onto the place where the board meets where your connection board meets your wings. You're going to hot glue the elastic straps on there. Now it's time for feathers. And what I used ostrich feathers on my wings. So what I did is I hot glue it all around your wing portion of it. And if you do want to hot glue it onto the back of the wing so it's fuller, definitely do that. But after that, you're gonna have amazing, beautiful ostrich feather wings. And what is the return of the king of this trilogy? And you can find out the answer to that question by watching the rest of the Cupids trilogy. And when you're done with that, definitely go see what else we have on the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I love it. Thank you so much for my returning viewers. Thank you so much for my new viewers. Thank you so much for the people that just stumbled across this place. I love you, I love you, I love you. Especially if you made it to the end of the video. You are amazing. Bye.